my experience has been amazing so far. I started about 4 years ago as an HR intern here at RH White, and I've been very fortunate enough to be able to grow within the company. So starting as an HR intern, moving into an HR coordinator role, and now in my current role as a junior HR business partner and training assistant. So I have many favorite aspects of RH White. One of them in particular would be the people here. I think everyone is so genuine and kind and outgoing, and I think that's what makes RH White so special and a great place to work. Another one of my favorite aspects would be our family culture. Everyone wants to see you succeed. They want to see you do well. Managers, they want to promote within. And I think they truly care about your well-being. They care about you as a person. And I think that's amazing to see because you don't see that a lot at other companies. Overall, it's a great place and I would highly recommend to work here.